Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dana and welcome to the House of Freeman. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing of the Look Fantastic Beautybox. This time it's for April 2020. If you don't know anything about Look Fantastic, it's a monthly subscription box based in the UK, but it ships worldwide. There's free postage and packaging when you order within the UK, but if you order elsewhere, you will have to pay a shipping fee. It is £15 per month, and they give you 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, or 12-month plans, depending on how long you want to stay with them. The 1 month you can cancel at any time, but the rest of them you will have to sit out all of your subscription. There are typically 6 items in the box and they range from beauty, cosmetics, skincare to accessories. So without any further ado, and if this sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. Okay, I've shunted over here so that I can show you all the products. Here is this month's beauty box. It is in this lovely lilac shade with the orangey yellow accents. If we open it up, this is what you will see inside. You get the little booklet telling you about the month's theme and the products inside, giving you their value as well, just so that you can tot up how much you've actually saved by getting the box. And then inside you have all the products. So let me open this up for you. And there you go. There's a quick sneak peek of what's inside. Let's read this month's theme. So when we open the book, the first thing you get is the theme. It says, "Spring has officially sprung, which means warmer days, lighter mornings, and flowers in bloom. This April, our spring beauty box is centered around brightening skincare, rejuvenating body care, and colorful cosmetics. All things to help you feel radiant and beautiful. In this month's Beauty Box edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview with Rodeo founder Maria." I'm not going to butcher her last name because I don't think I can say that. "A fun fragrance quiz and our top product picks for the ultimate no makeup look, Amelia." And then moving on, it shows you all the products that you're getting in this month's box. So let's get into them, shall we? The first product we've got is the Bella Pierre Peach Blossom palette. This is worth £28.99. It comes with 1 matte shade and 3 shimmers. I will just open her up for you. I'm not going to remove the plastic and I'll tell you why in a minute. So this item's description says, with 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade inside, this Bella Pierre eyeshadow palette, exclusively launching in this month's Look Fantastic Beauty Box, is the perfect springtime addition to your makeup bag. Weightless, super blendable, and the perfect size for traveling with a handy mirror inside. Blend the matte shade all over your eyelid, adding 1 or more shimmer shades over the top for an extra bit of sparkle. Now this is, it's a beautiful palette, but these shades just don't call out to me. So anything that I don't want to keep out of these beauty boxes, I'm going to put into a subscriber giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed down below and I will give you some more details towards the end of the video. Next, we have the Enzo Laszlo Hydrophil Skin Supplement. This is a 15ml product and it's worth £5.58. So with just these 2 products, you've already made up the cost of the box per month. Well, to be honest, with just this one, you've already made a great saving with just some more items thrown in, and we're only on item 2. This one says, "This calming toner is perfect for dry and sensitive skin. Formulated to hydrate and repair your complexion after cleansing with a blend of active humectants, it boosts cell renewal to encourage soft and supple skin. How to use: swipe over skin using a cotton pad or apply directly with hands, patting into the face." That sounds wonderful, but unfortunately, I have oily skin, so I don't think this would help me as much as it would help someone else. So this will be going in the giveaway as well. Next, we have the Amelia Wright Transforming Body Lotion. This is a 30ml product and it is worth £4. I don't know if you'll be able to see that with the lighting I've got going on at the moment. Specifically formulated to treat keratosis pilaris, the dry, bumpy skin often found on the back of your arms, this rich moisturizer uses lactic acid to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal renewed, soft, healthy skin. Dermatologist approved. Apply daily, massage into the skin for best results. This sounds marvelous. I do suffer with a little bit of eczema on my arms and hands from time to time. It's just because I'm allergic to the majority of things. So this may come in quite handy. I'm very happy about that one. Next, we have a product from a brand that I've actually really wanted to try for a while, and that is the Star Skin 100% Camellia 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. This brand is always known for their really incredible skin products, and this is something that I'm interested in. So this one says, get your glow back with the Star Skin Facial Sheet Mask, a dual part treatment that effectively targets dry, dull skin to soothe and restore your natural radiance. Pure camellia seed oil nourishes and softens skin, while the niacinamide, always good to have niacinamide in skincare products, mulberry bark extract and peony root infused sheet mask replenishes moisture and brings a healthy, luminous complexion. On dry, cleansed skin, break open step 1 oil capsule and massage onto face. Follow with step 2 the mask and leave on for 15 minutes. Remove and pat in the remaining oils. I can't wait to use this. This sounds marvelous. This is worth £9, so great that they put it in this box. Next, we have the Mine Tan Coffee Scrub 30 grams. This is worth £9.95. Give yourself a full caffeine kick from head to toe with this exfoliating body scrub, made from freshly ground coffee as well as an array of natural ingredients. This scrub will remove dry, flaky skin and leave you feeling fresh, soft, and with a more even looking skin tone. Apply a liberal amount all over the face and body whilst in the shower, massaging into the skin in circular motions. Now, as much as I love skincare products, coffee products with like coffee grounds in them are not my favorite. I just don't like how they apply and work with my skin. So this product will be going into the giveaway as well. And lastly, we have the Vintage Cosmetic Company Slanted Tweezers. I love things like this. I love a good accessory, and the box and packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. These are worth £8, and they say these high quality stainless steel tweezers allow for precise and effortless brow maintenance. Tweeze hairs in the direction of hair growth, preferably after showering, for best results. Now, we all know, as we can't get out to get our brows done, that things like this are going to come incredibly handy, and especially after you've just plucked certain little eyebrows and then you have really dark eyebrows as well. You'll get those little stumps. You know exactly what I'm talking about. And high quality tweezers like this will be able to grab onto that stump and pull it out, whereas some other ones might just kind of be grasping at straws and not really do anything. So this is a welcome addition from this box, and I will be keeping these. So that's it for this month's box. It's all empty. What do I think about the contents this month? Well, 3 out of 6 products I love and I will be using. That's the Amelia Wright cream, the vintage tweezers, and the Star Skin little mask. I'm very excited to try those out. And the other 3 I haven't lost out on because they will be going towards you guys when I do the giveaway. Don't mind the sound of wildlife. We seem to have pigeons on the roof, but I'm going to keep on soldiering through. So overall, when we tot up how much we got in the box, it comes to a total of £65.52. So you paid £15 for the box and you got nearly £70 worth of products. If that is not a deal, I do not know what else is. Even with just the 3 products that I'm wanting to keep, what are they? So I believe it was £8 for the tweezers. Let me just refer to my book. £8 for the tweezers, £9 for the mask, and then £4 for the lotion. That's £21. So even with the 3 that I'm going to keep, I still made a saving. So overall, I think that's a great deal. And just one more thing, they do a little sneak peek as to what is coming out next month in the beauty box. And this May sneak peek is what we've got. So it says we'll be getting one of these. It's a Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer by Avant, and it is worth £100. £100 for a 50ml product. Oh, that's absolutely insane. It said designed for use both day and night. I bet it is for £100. This age-defying resurfacing cream is one of Avant's best sellers. Signature ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, which is always good, shea butter and sweet almond oil tightens the skin and restores moisture for a younger looking complexion. Ooh, sounds very excited, and I cannot wait to get that in the next box. If you are excited to see that next box, then I suggest you subscribe down below because I will be unboxing it when it gets here. And if you enjoyed today's content, please give it a thumbs up down below. It really helps me out. If you want to know more about the giveaway, I will post some information in the description bar below. And I think that's about it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care and stay tuned.